Hi, this is John on behalf of Expert Village. In this video clip, I'll be taking you through our assembly process. Our first step is to take one of our sides, and what we will be doing is installing a cleat, which is just a small board, and our shelf is then going to set on that cleat. We're going to do this for both the left side and the right side. If I take a look at my diagram, I'm going to have 24 inches, that cleat board, and then my first shelf is going to sit on top of that cleat board. Next, I'm going to put a bead of glue along my cleat board. Make sure you spread that glue around so it holds just a little bit better. I'm going to go ahead and position it in place, and then I'm going to put a few pin nails in it to hold it while the glue dries. I'm going to continue this with the other side as well. Next, I'm going to attach my shelf to my sides, and I'm just going to glue this and pin nail it in place. I'm also going to pin nail my lower back support piece in place also. Next, you can continue by installing the top as well as the upper back. The last part of assembly is to install our skirt boards for our upper section and our lower section. Once all of our components are put on and secured, we are ready to move on.